Hi guys, this is Vishnu. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Generative AI Workshop. This workshop I have attended for a while ago. So in this workshop I have learnt so many things, and this is my first workshop. So I am very excited when I'm done this workshop. So in this workshop I have learnt what is generative AI and what is the purpose of AI, and what can it do, what is the uh, applications it have, etc, etc. In this workshop I have learned with the help of generative AI we can create our chat GPT with our own, and we can create our own videos with the help of generative AI, and we can create any editing photos, videos, and also audios also. Even we can create a movie with this generative AI. So in this workshop, we have used so many applications like Google Colabs, Hugging Face, and OpenAI API, and also Gradio, etc. etc. So by these applications, we are from this application we can create our own chat GPT. I have created this chat GPT with the help of this application. I can post some photos of this generative AI chat GPT also. So check it out. So in this modern generation, the technology has developed so far so much, like chat GPT and OpenAI, etc, etc. So from this we can learn so much of this. With this application in future we can also create a robot also, own AI, with the help of these three, with the help of Google Colab and Hugging Face and also OpenAI API. These three we can create an account and also create a chat GPT. In this workshop, I have created a chatbot with the help of Hugging Face and Google Colab and also OpenAI. First of all, we have to create an account in these three, and we have to link the connection between these three, and also after that we have to write the code about that, and we have to run the program. If any error comes, we have to correct it, otherwise we can go forward. But I have created a interface of that chat GPT, so you can see it. I can give the link in the description, so check it out. it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.